Welcome everyone, this brand new video. In this video we are going to take a look on how we can install our we can create our first Flutter project. So follow along with me. Launch your Xcode, go to Flutter. But before you create Flutter project, after installing your Android, after installing your Android Studio, you go to plugin, you go to configure, you click here, go to plugin. So here you're gonna type Flutter plugin. Yeah, you got to type Flutter plugin. So you have to install this one. You click OK. From there you go to browse repository. Yeah, you have to install all these ones before you go ahead and do all those things. So let's get back. I've already created it, so I've already installed it. There's no need again for me to do it. So I have to click start a new Flutter project. Flutter application, click next. So this is it. So you have to choose where to install your Flutter SDK file. You have to choose where to install your house. Okay, yeah, you have to choose where to install your Flutter SDK on your drive. So I've already choose C Flutter. This is where I'm going to do it. They say project location already exists. Okay, no problem. I'll just name, yeah, give another name. So but if you have not done that, so you have to go here, you choose. This is where either you create a new folder or you install it on your C or on your D drive. So that's how you do it. You click next. Now platform channel language, include Kotlin support for Android code, include Swift support for iOS code. So don't forget to check all those two boxes. I just click finish. Creating Flutter project. It's gonna take some little seconds to create our project, and we're just gonna be good to go. So this is how you create your first your Flutter project. This is how you create a Flutter project. So thank you guys for watching. Love and share this video with your family and friends. Until then, see you guys.